Hi, welcome back to DonskyTech. In this video, we're fixing a microcontroller problem issue called the object name already exists driver error. This usually happens with ESP32s, Arduino boards, or other devices that uses a software driver when Windows or PC messes up the driver configuration. So this morning, I plugged in my brand new, perfectly working ESP32, but the Arduino IDE couldn't detect it. I checked the device manager and saw that yellow exclamation mark. When I opened it, I saw this message called "The device is not working properly. Object name already exists" message. Would you like to know how to fix this? Then let's start exploring. This error means that your microcontroller is detected, but the driver is not properly configured. Don't worry, this is easy to fix. Just try these two things. First, restart your PC. It sounds simple, but it actually fixes the issue most of the time. However, if this does not work, then you need to uninstall and reinstall the driver. This refreshes the corrupted driver and usually solves the problem. So to uninstall your driver, just right-click your driver in Device Manager and then click the Devices by Driver and then select the top part, which is your driver. Right-click also and then click this option and then click also the option Force Removal. Make sure that everything is okay and then click Remove. This will remove your device driver. To verify if the driver was indeed removed successfully, open a new device manager and then verify that your driver is not showing up, which means that it was removed successfully by your Windows or PC system. So here we're going to reinstall the CH340 driver of my ESP32. So all we have to do is go to Google and then type in the driver, which in my case here is the CH341.zip file. So just click the first link in here. So it's applicable to both CH340 and CH341 driver. Click the download button. Since I have already downloaded it, then I'll just go into the file after unzipping the folder. So search for the setup.exe. In the setup.exe, after clicking the setup.exe, wait for the window to pop up and then all you have to do is to click the install button. So click the install button in here and then wait for the installation to finish. So when the message pop-ups like that, means that the driver is installed correctly. Open another device manager. So type in device manager in your Windows and in the device manager at the port section, search for the your component or your module or microcontroller. And make sure that there's no exclamation mark in here. In this case, there's no exclamation mark, which means that the driver was installed correctly now, unlike before wherein there are some issues. So that's how you can fix this object name does not exist error. I hope you learned something. Happy exploring.